Join the club! My Club Couture subscription from Chalk Couture came just in time for me to create something new and beautiful. Every month, I get a unique chalk transfer design that is exclusive to Club Couture members, plus 3 Chalkology Paste singles that are hand-picked to help bring the designs to life. And it's all shipped for free. But the fun of my Club Couture subscription doesn't stop there. I get access to private sales and special deals throughout the year, a free copy of the Chalk Couture catalog, and a low flat rate shipping on all additional orders from my independent designer's website. All of this for just $19.99 a month? Now that's DIY done right. When I joined Club Couture, I found so many opportunities to get creative. Now what will you create?